Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make your edited video 3 times clearer in CapCut. So you can get a good quality video by following these steps. So first you just need to finish your edit in CapCut and go to adjust, click on adjust, and now click on the exposure and increase it to only 5, and then after that increase the sharpness of your video into 30. Okay, click on a check icon. So before you export, click on this box right here and set the resolution into 1080p. Oops. And then the frame rate into 30, and after that you can just click on the arrow to export your project. Okay guys, so that's it from me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.